Hey guys, it's Dennis again. Thanks for coming out and watching another video with us today. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Milorganite fertilizer, kind of our secret ingredient to make our lawn look fantastic. So stay tuned. So first off guys, just want to share a little bit about a lawn care calendar that I talked a little bit about on our Instagram a few weeks back. So you know, we'll probably have a video on this soon that will kind of go into the detail on how I built this out and what our plan looks like. But just wanted to tell you guys, I'm on a new cycle this week, and that's going to be taking us through the next 5 weeks. But today we're just going to talk a little bit more about fertilizer. The granular fertilizer that I use is Milorganite. Take a little video of that. Epic Milorganite shot. This stuff is fantastic. It's all organic. Sorry about my shadow there. All organic. Can't really screw it up. We use 4 bags on our lawn. Our lawn is 8,500 square foot. But it's fantastic stuff. If you can get past the smell on a rainy day, it's all right. Jenny, my wife, loves it when I put it down, and she gets to enjoy the smell after it rained a bit. But myself, I just walk out there, take it in. As the lawn care nut, it smells like success. However, Milorganite isn't the only thing that I put on my lawn when it comes to fertilizer. We also have a liquid program that we put on that puts down some humates. You probably have heard from them from Green County Fertilizer. We'll talk a little bit more about them in a few weeks here when we put another app down. Actually, to be next week. But what we use from them is a little bit of Humic 12, RGS, and some microgreens, just to give the not necessarily to feed the grass, but more to feed the soil. Get our soil really good, and that will produce some good grass. Milorganite's all about pushing the growth through the nitrogen. So guys, I guess enough talking about it. Let's go ahead and put down this cycle's app of Milorganite, and we'll see how it goes. So all of you all know that little dance that we just did there to get that last bit of Milorganite goodness out of the bottom of the tank there. But again, we put 4 bags down, 8,500 square foot. That's probably a little bit heavy, but it's okay to be heavy-handed with this stuff. It's organic. It's going to be slow release. It's going to water in. It's all going to be good. So, well guys, I think that's all for this week. Put some Milorganite down. Next week we're going to put some of our Green County n-ext products down, as you can see, sporting the n-ext shirt. But I think that's really it for this week. In the comments below, please give me any questions you guys got, comments. Again, we're new to the YouTube gang, so if there's suggestions or thoughts that you guys have, by all means, please give us some comments. Follow me on the Instagram link that we have below, and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you're alerted to all the new things we have coming out. Really appreciate your support. Thanks a lot.